So here I'm going to be checking a battery for a battery backup garage door opener. So the first step is putting your voltage meter on DC and clip on your leads and your red. Now this says it should be 12 volts. Yeah, 12 volts. There we go. And we're reading 5.6 DC. So, I bet you that's going to explain why they've been receiving an error code on this Craftsmen battery backup. So if you look underneath the lens cover, you'll find the battery. You'll find your model number there. I unplug everything before I go to working on it. And so I'm going to order them a new battery and reconnect everything and go from there. But they were getting an error code here that says suggested replacing battery, but you can't see that now because I have the power off.